Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Basic Science. Today I am going to speak about the genius who counted the universe, the story of Satyendra Nath Bose, Birth Centenary Special 2026. In the early 20th century, when India was still under British rule, a young boy from Kolkata was quietly changing the future of science. His name was Satyendra Nath Bose, a genius, a thinker, and a scientist who helped us understand the invisible world. Early life. Bose was born on January 1, 1894, in Kolkata. From childhood, he showed extraordinary intelligence. He loved mathematics and science. His teachers quickly noticed, this boy was not ordinary. He studied at Presidency College, where he learned from great teachers and developed a deep interest in physics. Education and genius mind. Bose was always curious. He didn't just learn, he questioned. At a time when resources were limited in India, he studied advanced physics on his own. He later became a professor, inspiring students with his simple teaching style. The big discovery. In 1924, Bose made a discovery that shocked the scientific world. He developed a new way to understand how tiny particles behave. But there was a problem. No journal wanted to publish his work. So, Bose did something bold. He sent his paper directly to the great scientist, Albert Einstein. Einstein was amazed. He translated Bose's paper into German and helped publish it. This led to a new concept called Bose-Einstein statistics, and later, a new state of matter called Bose-Einstein condensate. New horizons in science. Because of Bose's work, scientists began to understand quantum physics better. His ideas opened doors to quantum mechanics, particle physics, modern technology. Today, his name lives in science through the word boson, particles named after Bose. Contribution to India. Bose was not just a scientist. He was a teacher, a leader, and a proud Indian. He worked hard to improve science education in India. He believed knowledge should be simple and accessible to all. He served at the University of Calcutta and guided many young minds. National recognition. To honor his contribution, India established S.N. Bose National Center for Basic Sciences. This institution continues research in modern science, carrying forward his legacy. Birth Centenary Celebration 2026 Special. In 2026, India celebrates the birth centenary era of this great scientist. Schools, colleges, and scientific communities remember his work. His life reminds us, great ideas can come from anywhere, even from a simple classroom in India. Conclusion. Satyendra Nath Bose proved that true genius does not need luxury. It needs curiosity, courage, and passion. He counted particles, but inspired generations. Science is not just about equations. It is about seeing the universe in a new way. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more simple science videos. I am Prabhu Maths. Have a great day. We will meet again next week in the same platform. Till then, goodbye.